Hi. Good morning, Mariah. How are y'all doing? Hello, Javerline, Matthew, Ken, Pita Sushi, Erms. Hello, Astraya. Yuanis, Tires, Min. There's Min? Si Min artist ba to? Hello! Ayan. So, I just ate lunch. Meron pang bakas ng yung bandage. Ano pala yun? Chin strap. I'm just at home, drinking my coffee, per usual. And wala lang, I just wanna say hi and debrief last night kasi I'm about to check the photos from last night's fan meet. Sino yung mga pumunta sa fan meet last night? I know Mariah was there. Ayan. Hello mga pumunta sa fan meet. Thank you so much. It was a successful show. Sobrang saya. Wala na, medyo napapaos ako kasi si Dalit. Papaos na ako kasi ang dami kong sinabi kagabi. So para lang kaming nag-usap-usap, para lang kaming nasa live na normal lang, which is good for me na I'm really getting comfortable with talking parang talking publicly, and parang the fact na may tao na nakikinig sa akin, and parang medyo kasi mahirap yung kailangan mo silang i-connect while you are talking. Yun yung mahirap sa akin before. Kaya parang learning hosting nung Doll Domination event, and then ngayon na hosting gig again. So I'm happy for my growth. Hi Greg! Thank you, Mariah. Hello, Frit. Hi, Reza. I love you too. Hi, Vince. Hi, Marie. How to avail your merch? Link in bio. So if you click my link, my link tree, it's gonna be there. You can see there's Miss Jade store and drag queen merch if you are from international country. Hello. So ayan, ang saya mag-host na. I'm doing better on hosting. I'm manifesting this kind of fan meet. Para dapat dapat padami na ng padami sa fan meet. Hanggang sa ang dami na nating hindi na tayo magkakasya sa picture. Gusto ko gano'n. Kasi may class picture kami, i-upload ko yung class picture namin. And ito, nabubuksan ko na yung yung camera. Look at my hair, guys. Ano na siya? Ano to? What do you call this? Is it a mohawk? She's in her host era. Yes. It's kind of like a mohawk and mullet na super haba. Parang something is new on you. What is it? Can you pinpoint? Ito. Ayan, ang ganda. Like, parang I'm planning to, to shave. Hello, parang change career to hosting. Tama, mali. Hindi naman change career. It's just an additional skill for me as a drag queen. Kasi, di ba, a drag queen is all around superstar. Like, you create your pieza, you create your visual, you create your outfits, you create everything, actually. And then, by learning this, para siyang makukumpleto ko yung challenges sa Drag Race, di ba? Yung mga, like, di ba, may hosting din na live sa Drag Race, may snatch game, may acting challenge, may roasting. Ayan, na-checkan na natin yung roasting eh. Kasi, di ba, nakita nyo na yan. Nakita nyo yung roasting. Parang teacher lang talaga namin si Miss Jade kagabi. Oo nga, oo. Advisor na comedy queen. All around na si Miss Jade. Ikot ka nga. All around, all around, all around. Ah! Sabi niyo pa ako. All around, all around. Nahilo. Rock Bratzy na sobrang Latina ang atake. Di na trans tomboy. Favorite track sa Mayhem? Hindi ito natanong sa akin kagabi. Also, aside from Abracadabra and Disease, it's Garden of Eden, Perfect Celebrity kasi may dull na lyrics, and How Bad Do You Want Me. Yun yung top 3 aside from Abracadabra, Disease. Pero may in-expect ako na akala ko I expected parang more on Abracadabra yung music. Diba? Ako lang ba yun? Anas, say mo sa issue regarding sa trans inclusion sa Women's Month. As we should! As we should. I've been celebrating Women's Month every year. So, bakit ngayon lang kayo nagiging bobo? Bakit may mga bobo na bobo? May mga bobo na bobo. Her fave track from Mayhem is Love It All Out. Love Drag. There's Love Drag. Alam kong live kami kasi. Ganon. Yes, it's Camilla. Hello. So, ayan. Coffee again. I love this kasi this filter makes my nose wide here because I really want my nose na yung parang alien-esque Avatar moment. Yung from here it's gonna connect to my brow bone. I want that. Thank you sa video read. Welcome. Ang kate ng Lady Gaga featuring Miss Jade. So when? Ooh, let's manifest that. Parang bagay ako sa Garden of Eden. O kaya sa Perfect Celebrity. O kaya Telephone Part 2. Ako na lang. Kasi ayaw naman ni Beyonce. Sige. Alam mo, Beyonce, ang hirap matawagan. Beyonce, ang hirap matawagan. Ako na lang. And yung last night na narinig nyo yung new music, there's a new music upcoming. It's a collaboration. It's for the doll domination. It's for the transification. The Voidal Goddess is on live. Yes. Super enjoy ako kagabi. Miss na kita agad. Miss you too. I super enjoy. Si Miss Pink Keru. Wait, ano yung picture niya? Ah, okay. Nadaan ba na? Okay. There's a new challenge for the next fan meet event. Dapat, i-challenge nyo ako na kailangan kabisado ko yung lahat ng pangalan. Yun yung parang goal. Makabisado yung pangalan. Show here in Puerto Princesa. Ooh! I love that. Ano, parang nakapunta na ako sa Puerto Princesa pero hindi for a show, for a tour. Meron bang drag show there? Ano ganap mo this week? Just at home, and I'm gonna record the remaining songs na for my EP. Ako yung maraming tanong. Okay. Siya yung may may tote bag. Karamihang atake mo sa hair. Yes. This is giving chicken. Ooh. This is giving ahas. Robina. This is giving what else? What does this give? Like shark. Ah! Kinain daw kita. Diba? Kinain ka shark. Shark ako, shark. This is giving kailan ka babalik sa South? Ay, pakisabihan si Iba na i-book ako, no? Pag nagkamali, anong punishment? Ibobotom. So, ako yung yung ibobotom kasi ako yung magkakamali dahil kailangan kabisado ko yung pangalan ng mga susos. Miss Jade so giving non-binary goddessa. Ooh, I love that. Yes, that's the goal. It's giving it's giving they them. Parang mas prefer ko yung it's rather than they them kasi it's more powerful, no? Kasi from the word it's like you can say na hindi siya, you can parang 'di ba usually bagay ang it, and pero for me there's something more, parang hindi siya, parang pwede siyang unidentified object, unidentified being, unidentified creature. Oh, so I'm it. Kasi nga 'di ba nag-iisa lang si Goddessa, and ang mission niya is to teach her goddessification. Nag-iisa siya, pero at the same time, magiging goddessa lahat. It's because you heard that? Did you hear that? Ang cute ng baby bangs. Ooh, I'm liking it. I'm liking this. Parang shinave ko here, shade here, and that. I love that I can play with my hair. Kasi I'm planning when I kapag umattend ako ng Eusexual tour for FK 8 weeks, I'm gonna i-address ko yung hair ko from here. Ganyan. Ano yung mga are you flat? Sino po si vortexification? Jade is in her non-binary vegetarian eat-its era. Oh, vegetarian. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that next time. Hindi pa ako vegetarian. Sana mas Jade again on a roast show. Ooh. Let's manifest that. Ang hirap kaya mag-roast kasi tagal-tagal mong i-write yung do you believe that you attract what you manifest? Yes. Every day I do that, like, as it's really a practice. And I can't wait that I'm gonna share something for you guys that's included in my EP. There's like a goddessification. Guided meditation. So, papakinggan nyo yun. Every day, whenever you wake up, whenever you got your coffee, ganun. Para sabay-sabay tayo na. Feel hot, hot. Feel hot, hot, hot. I think that's it. Mga kapitbahay pala kita. Taga saan ka? So that's it. I'm gonna scan the camera, and it's time for me to post your stories. So don't forget to share all of it that happened last night, or kung ano man may gusto kayong ipakita sa akin. Let me see it in sad story. But ang act super bagay the hair. Thank you. Nabuhayan agad, kumbaga. Okay. Bye, guys. See you on my stories.